Hi, if your LEGO Duplo Police or fire siren has a weak sound and the lights have stopped working, don't worry, it's not broken. You just need to replace the batteries. It is very simple to get that loud siren and light effect back. To do this, you will need to buy 3 new LR41 replacement batteries. First, unscrew the 2 Phillips head screws. If you don't have a screwdriver, you can use a knife with a sharp point. Then, carefully open the housing. As you can see, you will need 3 batteries. You can see the correct way to insert the batteries marked on the main circuit board. Remove the old batteries and take the new ones. Remember, it is always best to all 3 batteries use of the same brand. Also, the flat side is the plus side for the LR41 type. The housing also has a diagram showing the correct battery placement. Insert the new batteries and carefully put the housing back together. Check to see if the sound and lights work like new again. I love seeing the sparkle in my children's eyes when it starts working. Finally, screw the 2 parts together tightly so the housing doesn't open and children can't get to the batteries. Also, remember to take the old batteries to a recycling point so they don't end up in nature, or even worse, in a child's mouth. I hope this was helpful. Good luck!